everyone and welcome back to FXNN. This is Yashita Nagpal and I am a trader on FXNN. You might have heard a lot that to be a trader you need to sit in front of charts all day. But what if I tell you that there is a simpler way to this? Yes, you heard me right. And in today's video I am going to be explaining you exactly that. So we have Rishabh with us. Rishabh, could you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Kingar. I am also a trader and we both are part of the FXNN team. So today we will talk about event contracts. What are event contracts, how do they work and how they can be very helpful. But before talking about event contracts, we will talk about the platform first that we are trading at. Yes, I am talking about the FXNN platform. So Yashita, over to you.
Yes, so I'll basically tell you about what FXNN is. FXNN is a platform where you can trade and learn at the same time. I mean, how cool is this? You'll learn here, you'll get to know about everything, all the indicators, the technical knowledge part, and along with that, you also get to know what's going on around the globe. So on FXNN, we also have a news section where you can understand what's going on around the globe, and all the information is right there at one place. So that's about FXNN. Over to you, Rishabh. Can you please tell us more about event contracts?
So let's just quickly talk about event contracts. An event contract is a fixed risk trading instrument that lets you make prediction on the specific market outcome. In simple words, you just have to predict whether the crypto prices will go up or down. And if your prediction is right, you will get 80% profit. And even if it is wrong, you will just lose your invested amount. Now, it is very simple to place a trade. You have different time frame options like 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour and so on. And you just have to place your trade according to your time frame. And you can start right away from $5.
Well, before I heard about FXNN and before I started trading on FXNN, I didn't know that there was a way. But now I know and I am obsessed. And also when there is structured outcome, there is so much less risk involved. And in FXNN, you get fixed rewards, and even if you lose, the amount that you lose is also fixed. So you don't have to worry about losing all your capital. So FXNN event contracts are a crazy boon for beginners because it's so simple. It involves no complexity, no margin calls, no liquidation. It's very easy and even beginners can start using event contracts on FXNN.
So wouldn't it be easier if we just quickly show them how to place a trade?
Yes, definitely. So let's place a trade. What do you think?
So let's just quickly show them how to place a trade. So you just simply need to go to the FXNN website. Then you need to sign up and create an account. After signing up, you will see different options like event contracts, FXNN Academy, where you have crypto basics, then you have tutorials, then you have beginner guide. Then you can see a news and blog section. Then there's a support section, and there is also a section about FXNN. And when you open event contracts, you will see different options like the cryptocurrency chart. Here we have Bitcoin chart right now. Then we have different time frames like 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and you can see your balance there. Then we have options of higher and lower. So let me just quickly analyze the chart once. And then we have, so I think I see some resistance, and I think I have seen some resistance there, and I think in the next 10-minute frame the price can go a little lower. So I'll place my $50 trade in the next 10-minute time frame for the lower. So I have placed my trade and it's done. Very simple, right? Now in the upcoming 10 minutes we'll have our results, and if we win we'll get 80% profit, and even if we lose, I'll just lose the invested amount. That's it.
I'm going to place my trade on higher because I'm pretty sure it's going to go higher. Right, so let's see, we have a time frame of 10 minutes, and if the Bitcoin price goes up or down. What do you think, Rishabh? Since recently we have also seen a lot of volatility in the Bitcoin prices, so what do you think could be the reason?
Yes, there can be several reasons. Like there have been geopolitical tensions between India and Pakistan. Then we have US trade agreements. Then we have US tariff releases. And apart from that, we have Northern Hemisphere signing the crypto reserve bill. So these can be some of the potential reasons that are pumping up the crypto right now.
Yes, even because of the geopolitical instability that's going on between India and Pakistan, a lot of investors, like new, fresh investors, are coming into the market because they are seeing Bitcoin as an alternative investment option. So yes, that's also a part of the coin.
Definitely. There have been geopolitical tensions between India and Pakistan. Then there have been US tariffs. Then there have been US trade agreements. Then we have Northern Hemisphere signing up the crypto reserve law bill. Yes, so these are some of the potential reasons that are pumping crypto right now.
And you know, the government is also taking various regulatory steps for the Bitcoin. Like, I don't know if you have heard about this or not, that Donald Trump recently signed an executive contract
Right.
for a Bitcoin reserve. Have you heard about it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I also read it in the FXNN news section. And I was very much impressed by this decision because due to the government taking such a step, it creates a lot of trustworthiness and credibility amongst the audience, amongst the common man. What do you think?
Because cryptocurrency is a currency of its own. Unlike platforms like PhonePe and Paytm, where you are transferring money through your bank account, you are not doing that. You are making a very safe transaction. And there have been a lot of institutional investors, yes, and people are adapting to it. Even corporates are adapting to it. So these are some of the potential reasons.
Yes, that's true. And I think Bitcoin is here to stay because there's another news that Bitcoin has surpassed Google and Amazon and it has become the world's fifth largest asset by market capitalization. So this also shows a lot that investors are coming into the market.
Meanwhile, I just quickly look at our trade. Okay, so the price has gone a little up, and I think your prediction will be right in the upcoming time frame.
There are still 5 minutes to go, and I am hoping it came down. The Bitcoin price came down a lot, and I was a bit scared that you might win, but it's going up again.
Okay, so what's that one thing that you like the most about FXNN platform?
But I think event contracts on FXNN is such a boon for traders, right? Especially for beginners who are starting up because this is just so easy. I think everything on FXNN is really good. The platform in general is also so smooth to work on. But if I had to choose one thing, it definitely would be the news section because you don't have to go anywhere to see what's going on around the globe now. It's then and there at one place, everything. So yes, I think to stay updated, this is the best part of FXNN. What do you think, Rishabh?
So for me, the best part about the FXNN platform will be the FXNN Academy, where you can learn about the crypto basics, then you can learn about event contracts, then it has even its own whole guidebook where you can learn everything, how to deposit money, how to make transfers, everything is right there. You just have to be at one place. That's it.
That's true, especially in a country like India where we have such a huge population, but not a lot of people are well aware about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and event contracts. At such a place, FXNN is doing the work of educating people, right? I think this is such a hit. And a lot of people, a lot of new investors will be interested because now they have knowledge. Now they know how it works.
Yeah, and like the best part is there are the video tutorials right there. You don't even have to go on YouTube. It's all there at the website, at the platform, at that too at a one place. So that makes it very easy to operate. It is so user friendly. It does have a very smooth interface.
Yeah, and also, do you know there is no hidden fees on FXNN? It's fully transparent.
So that's the best part about the FXNN for me. So now one more thing that is best about the FXNN platform is even if you are a beginner and you are not ready to trade yet, you can just come out to FXNN platform daily. You can read the news blogs and you can learn how to analyze the charts, and when you are ready, you can just jump in. So that's what makes a difference, right? And even if you don't have a big capital, you can start right away from $10.
True. It's such a good thing to stay in discipline because of FXNN because you exactly know this is the amount that I'm going to lose. This is the amount that I can earn. Fixed reward is equal to very less stress, right?
Right.
So even if you don't have very large capital, you can still start trading on FXNN with such a less amount of capital. So let's quickly look at our trade. What's the position? Okay. Definitely. And with this, I also won a profit of $40. And as I said, the Bitcoin price went higher.
So we were just like casually talking and you made a profit of $40.
So clearly it's so easy. Like we were just talking randomly and along with that we also placed the trade and see I won $40.
$40 is a huge profit, right? Congratulations.
Yes, and as we did, you can also start trading on FXNN with such a less amount of capital, no risk involved, no major capital loss will be there, no hidden charges, transparency, no margin calls. This is such a simple way to start trading. So with this, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for staying up till the end. And as you could see that I won a profit of $40 US, you can win it too, super easy on FXNN. So we have given a link in the description box below. You can simply click on it and go to FXNN and start trading event contracts. And if you think you don't have a lot of knowledge about that, FXNN platform also offers a news section, a blog section, and also tutorials to help you understand it. Let us know in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like us to make. And yeah, thank you so much. Happy trading.
If you are here till the end of the video, make sure to follow us to watch more content like this. And if you have any other queries, please connect with the FXNN team and we will reach out to you. Thank you so much.